What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, not sure exactly what's about to go on, but what I'm about to do is I'm about to go to Jeffrey Acura. Shout out to them. That's where I bought the Integra from. I'm about to get the first oil change, first maintenance. Probably need the tires rotated too after yesterday's video, but I'm about to get that taken care of. About to talk about the Integra SI, and I'm going to see if they got something that I can drive. Probably the Integra with the CVT. So that's what we're doing today. I got about 5,500 miles on the car. Camaro update. Got a low ball offer, but we're gonna try to negotiate, or they're gonna negotiate for me. That's the good part about going through the city of cars. They get to do all that for me. The Camaro's in details, going to be reshot for photos, because somebody mentioned there was debris in it, and we had a meeting about that. Like, yeah, it's leaves and crap in the grill. It's like stuff on the back seats. It just needs to be wiped down. Not filthy, but just dust and stuff on there. So Camaro's getting taken care of. Might be so, might not be. But that's where we at today's video. Before we jump into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Up in the Integra, how many miles we got? Yes, that happens all the time. So 5,506 miles. Made it to the dealerships. Got Nissan, Kia, Honda, and Acura over there. I missed my turn, and I'm like 6-7 minutes late. But we are still good. So let me get in here and talk to my peeps. Service department back here. They got a bunch of Integras in stock now. When I was here, it was like the one I got in the demo, which is still here. Got an RSX in front of me. That's basically what this car grew into. These Integras grew into the RSX. And you got the TSXs, but that's a liftback right there, like the Integra. So back here in service, the oil change, tire rotation, multi-point inspections, gonna be filled out on the sheet. I'm really here for the car wash. My car is filthy, man. And I can get free car washes anytime I come through here. So this is about to be my new car wash spot. So it's about to go on the back. We should be in and out within an hour. But let me go see my guys in sales and see what we got here. Got a bird duty back here, man. Let's go. Handprints. Yeah. It's not summertime and I'm not washing my car. It's hard for me to keep them clean. It's too cold. This is the car I'm going to be driving. It's the exact same car as mine, but it's got the CVT. That's the demo with the manual, with all the options on it. Let me see what else they got back here in inventory. See the color that I didn't get. I'm seeing the black one for the first time in person. Really like that one. Another one. All these are A-specs. I think this is the car that I didn't want to wait for. Let me see, is this the manual? Nope, that's a CVT as well. So my preferred choice on the options they gave me that were incoming, a white one with the red interior with the manual, but it was like a month and a half, 2 months past, plus it was delayed, so I couldn't wait for it. Really like the black ones though. They got a powerful presence in black. And this is a TL. I thought it was a Integra at first. But they do look similar, but there's a difference. That grill, oh, got some more over here. Another black one. I really like it in black, man. My car will look terrible though. I do not keep my cars this clean. This thing ain't even clean. Oh, it's the black with the manual. Alright. Shout out to Mike for ordering all these manuals, man. We got the blue one that I let get away. The blue with the orchid. Another manual. So they got inventory here. So if you're looking, shout out to Jeffrey Acura. And shout out to my guy Tyler. He's the salesperson that I went through, and Mike is the sales manager. But they got inventory here on a variety of colors. This thing needs no introduction. Literally the same car as mine. Only option is liquid carbon metallic. And the only difference here is this. I'm about to see how this is compared to the manual. This thing brand spanking new too. So still got the tags on the seat. So I know this is brand spanking new. Even got it on the side mirror over there. So let me put the GoPro on. About to do a POV. And let's have some fun. Alright, got this thing warming up. Y'all know what the car looks like. So let's get into it. POV style. Red interior. That is Q's choice. All right, let's see how this thing works. CVT, continuously variable transmission. So it's like one gear, but I am very curious to see how this works. It's even got paddle shifters. That's about to be interesting. So this car only has 4 miles, so definitely got to take it easy. Definitely not broken in. You see the plastic up here. Straight to sport mode though. Turn off this auto stop start. Oh, somebody about to get hit. Set my mirror, that thing way, y'all. Actually set all these mirrors. Safety first. Oh, so this car got the blank button over here too. I thought it was just a manual thing, but this is a blank button. So I got all the options. I'm over here grabbing the gear selector like I'm actually about to shift. Wow, that literally feels like nothing. It's shifting the gears like that. I felt like a little... Oh, this is different. When I shifted the gears, it's like a split second pause, and I don't know, you hard to explain what I'm feeling. This is not the traditional automatic. Let's see how it does itself. Wow, that is that's different. I have never seen anything like that in all my days. I was waiting for the gears to drop down, but it just keeps winding on out. It's like, all right, let's see what passing power feels like. Okay, I can feel what would have been a downshift. It's a ever so subtle, I guess, a simulated gear. This is hard to put in words, man. This is different, but the car still feels balanced though. This thing feels just as balanced as mine. Let me go do some more twisties before I can make a final judgment, because this car is heavier than mine. It's about like 130, 150 pounds. But that okay, downshift, downshift, downshift again. Can we go to red line? Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. So I think it's just one big long gear, but the way it's simulated to where it can do things like an automatic, which is pretty cool. Like downshift, downshift, downshift. Go to red line. That is different. This transmission gonna take some getting used to. Let me see if I got like a actual sport mode that I can get into. Okay, there we go. Should be more livelier. Let's see what happens. This is about to be a quick little drive. Let's get over, accelerate. I feel like the exhaust sounds a little bit different in here too. Seems like mine sound more throatier. Could be just me, or it could be this headset that I have on, because I do get like extra sounds with this binaural audio. So I got microphones in my ears that also double as headphones, so I can hear what's coming in through the earpiece. So this car does have one feature that mine doesn't, and that's with the adaptive cruise control. You can get that to work its magic at low speed. So if I'm at stop and go, it'll keep going from like 0 from 0 miles per hour on. Mine doesn't do that because I'm in the manual and I have to engage the clutch and put it in gear, but this can do it from a standstill. See how this thing handles. Handles a curve. Can tell there's a little bit more weight, just a little bit, but not substantial. I do not understand this transmission at all. Like, you give it some throttle and it does a downshift like it should. It just feels different. Still got a great chassis in any level of it. Man, these people do not know how to merge onto a highway, man. Going 50 out here. This cannot be great today. Curve up here. What is this man doing? The best part of the car, chassis. Take it like a champ. And party's over. This thing downshifted. I don't know, the CVT people gonna have to chime in to me to explain this. I just don't get it. Like, when it was in normal mode, it just revved out to the whole 7,000 RPM. And then when you accelerate, it like drops down the gear, or I guess it simulates a drop down gear. Still moves though. Not taking that away from the car at all. It's just different. Not saying it's bad, not saying it's good. It's not bad at all. I'm just explaining my thoughts on what I'm feeling on this. Like, automatics, it's a more jerky feel to when it's going in gear. But this is kind of like almost seamless. It's because it's technically not a gear, but it feels like it's not a gear too. There's no drama to it when shifting in gears. Just right real quick. Do it, squirrel. How'd you do it? Let me see how this thing works from a standstill. This, I gotta wrap my mind around it. Do a slow takeoff. I think it'll just go to red line. Just pick up speed. I don't know. It's like instantly when you hit on the throttle, it goes to where a gear would be. Like, if I floor it, it's gonna instantly jump to that RPM, like probably 3.5. Oh, dang, it jumped to 4.5. And that's like instantaneous. Let's try that again. Dang. Alright, so we're about to draw this test drive to a close on empty. This is a brand spanking new car. But yeah, if you're not with the manuals, I would recommend this one too. Hopefully you got cross-track alert. Back here, see if my car is not. Is that my car? My God, I think that is my car. We done. All right, let me park this where it goes. Oh my God, I'm trying to clutch in again. I am not used to driving automatics. Solid gear shifter. Am I not in reverse? No. Even got the clear plastic on here. And I wonder if reverse like a single gear too. Could I do like 80 in reverse on here? Not gonna try that out, but if you got an Integra, you gonna try it out, let me know. I'm curious. This car got me wondering a lot of things. Fun fact, I am not good at parking the Integra. The Camaro kind of messed up my parking for all cars. I suck at parking all cars now. Be so crooked. Even with the guidelines. Yeah, I know. It's all bad. Alright. CVT Integra. So we're back at Jeffrey Acura here in Roseville, Michigan. Check them out. I'll link the website in the description down below. They got a big selection of Integras now. So a lot of people are saying they're waiting on Integras. They got a lot of flavors over here. There's some in the back too that are being prepped. So yeah, the CVT Integra is still a good choice too. It's definitely different. I was in the car confused about what I was feeling because I've never been in the CVT before, not that I can recall. And it's just different. So I know some people were saying that the previous ILX came with the DCT, but some say it was bad, some say it was good. I drove the first model year ILX when my TL was in the shop, and I don't know if it was a DCT or not. I think it was like a 2013 model year. Somebody let me know in the comments below. So if you aren't up for a manual, I would say get the CVT. It will take some getting used to. It's different. It's not bad or good. It's just different in how the gears shift. But if you don't care about that, you get better fuel economy. It's the same car as mine, it's just a different gear. So if you can't drive manual, get the CVT or go test drive one. Come here and drive one. They got a bunch of them. I'm really liking these blacks with the manual, but I need my black with the red interior. I think that's one of my top choices too. And I like the red, like that's on that TLX behind me. Back here with my Integra. So got the service done, oil change, tires rotated, car wash, most importantly. That thing was filthy. They said I can come by anytime for free. But yeah, they got a big selection here. It's like 4 or 5. I see 5 liquid carbons for sale right now. A couple blacks I see. Got a blue, 2 blue ones, and a white one. So if you're looking for inventory, come check out Jeffrey Acura. They got a bunch here. A lot of people say they are looking for one. They ordered them and are waiting. They just got them here. So hit them up. Back to my car. Everything checked out great. They did a multi-point inspection. Everything excellent. So I'm ready to roll. So somebody mentioned in the last video, so for the complimentary oil changes, you have to wait till the oil gets down to 15% or 5,000 miles. So that's it, 15%, 5,000 miles. This blue Integra, somebody owns it, caught my attention. Let me go check that out real quick before I close. I wonder if they got some mods on that thing. I'll hide their license plate. Woo. Like that red sticker back there. Oh, yeah. That's nice. And we got another liquid carbon. Oh, they might have something on there. I see that PRL sticker. What transmission they got? Okay, all right. And they got my spec, the Orchid with the blue exterior. But yeah, they got a manual too. They got some mods. I want to know what they did. If they watch this video, let me know what mods you got from PRL, because I'm about to hit them up soon. So I'm about to leave here. Appreciate Jeffrey Acura once again maintaining the car. Let me drive the CVT twin of mine. So I'm cute checking out. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.